My name is Danny Gonzalez. I've been at Zion City roughly going on about a year now. I got incarcerated. I did 10 years in the Department of Correction. I was addicted to opiates and alcohol very strongly. I ran the streets. I thought making fast money was the way to live, and that's where I'm from. I'm from the mud. I'm from the South Tucson is where I grew up. Those were my stomping grounds right there. And transitioning and going to Santa Cruz, God led me there just because that's exactly who I feel God is telling me I need to reach. All my Zion family, the Santa Cruz campus, I can't talk enough about it because it's a home. When you in Spanish we call that familia, and that's the kind of culture we have. That the community, and you can go to someone and say, hey, look, I need help. I am struggling. And you have someone to say, you know what, you're not alone in this. We're gonna fight with you. You know, guys that I used to run the streets with, they recently, gave their life to God, and it's been real powerful and the movement of what God's doing is just so magnificent. And these guys were so in the mud just like I was, and they transitioned their life. This is just more than just me. It's God's moving for generations.